If you are considering a reverse mortgage, you may be wondering what happens next and how long the process takes. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the journey, explain who is involved at each stage, outline the documents you'll receive and sign, and show you how we stay by your side from start to finish. While there are a few handovers to specialist third parties throughout the process, as your specialist brokers, we're here to guide and support you every step of the way. The first stage of the client journey is handled entirely by your reverse mortgage broker and typically takes around 1 to 2 weeks. Your journey begins with an initial inquiry and eligibility check. You can start by using our online reverse mortgage calculator or by booking a free appointment with one of our qualified reverse mortgage specialists. At the beginning of the process, we'll provide you with 3 important documents required by Australian regulations. The credit guide explains our licensing details, how we provide credit assistance, the lenders we work with, how we're paid, and our dispute resolution process. Our privacy statement explains how we collect, use, store, and share your information in accordance with the regulations. And the reverse mortgage information statement is a government-required document that explains how reverse mortgages work, including the effect of compounding interest on your home equity. Next, we'll ask you to complete a series of fact-finding forms, either online or with assistance from our team. We'll then prepare and send the first series of documents for you to consider and sign digitally. The credit quote explains the fees payable by you to us for our credit assistance services. The declarations, authorisations and acknowledgements confirms you have received and understood all required information and authorises us to proceed. We'll then prepare some projections using the regulator's MoneySmart reverse mortgage calculator, demonstrating how different loan amounts and timeframes may impact your future home equity. The next step is to arrange a consultation, usually via video meeting, as we work with clients all around Australia. We will send you a tailored agenda, along with any further questions and information required. During this meeting, we'll discuss your financial goals, your property, your current financial position, and whether a reverse mortgage is suitable for your circumstances. We'll also explain the MoneySmart projections in detail. Our role is to ensure a reverse mortgage is the right solution for you before making any recommendation. After the consultation, we'll ask you to gather and provide all the relevant documents to support your loan application. These documents include, but are not limited to, photo identification, your current council rates notice, up-to-date building insurance, if you're in a strata, your current levy notice and strata plan insurance, your Centrelink income statements, and current super balances if you still have super. You will also need to provide continuous bank statements showing the most recent 90 days of transactions for all the accounts, credit cards and loans you have. You can do this using a secure open banking service such as Frollo or by downloading and providing each statement. Once we've received all your supporting information, we will complete the broker assessment process and send you a second series of documents for you to review and sign digitally. These documents help ensure all our information is correct and that you fully understand the recommendation being made and provide authority for us to proceed. The application summary provides a summary of information you've supplied and the goals you are seeking to achieve in applying for the loan. And the credit proposal outlines our recommended lender and loan product, the interest rate, fees, loan structure, and our broker commissions. By signing this document, you also officially engage us as your broker. Once you have signed these documents, we'll prepare and submit your application to the lender. And depending on the chosen lender, you may also be required to sign their application form as part of the lodgement process. The second stage of the client journey is the selected lender's loan assessment and approval process. This takes between 2 and 4 weeks and is dependent on the complexity of the transaction, the number of parties involved, and whether there is a mortgage refinance. Once your application has been submitted, the lender takes over the assessment process. The first step is arranging a valuation. Some lenders will conduct a desktop valuation. However, most will require a physical valuation by an independent valuer. The valuation helps the lender confirm the value and current condition of your home and determine the amount that may be available to borrow. This process typically takes around 1 week from booking to the completion of the valuation report. Once the valuation report and supporting information have been received, the lender conducts a detailed assessment of your application against their lending policies. As part of their responsible lending obligations, the lender will contact you directly to conduct what is called a compliance call. This call is usually conducted by phone and allows them to confirm all the information provided in your application and to explain the loan features and answer any questions. If everything is in order, your loan will be formally approved, subject to any remaining conditions being met. Following formal approval, the lender will prepare your reverse mortgage contracts. These documents may be provided electronically or in hard copy, depending on the lender. Before settlement can occur, you'll also need to update your home insurance policy to note the lender as the incoming mortgagee and complete any mortgage discharge authority paperwork if an existing loan is being refinanced. Once the loan contracts are issued, the next stage is independent legal advice. We're now at stage 3 of the process, the independent legal advice, where the process is handed over to your nominated solicitor. This stage typically takes 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your lawyer's availability and whether the loan documents are digital or hard copy. It is a mandatory requirement that all Australian reverse mortgage borrowers obtain independent legal advice before entering into a reverse mortgage loan contract. This is an important consumer protection designed to ensure you fully understand the loan agreement and your obligations under it, which include to keep the property in good order, pay the council rates, and keep it fully insured. Your solicitor will review the loan documents with you and explain them fully. You'll then complete and sign the loan documents ready to be returned to the lender. Throughout this process, your home equity is always available to assist and support you. Settlement is the final stage of the loan application process and takes around 1 to 2 weeks. Once the legal advice has been completed and all the loan security documents have been returned, the lender's settlement team takes over. Their role is to coordinate settlement and work with any other parties involved, such as existing lenders being refinanced. Once settlement occurs, the loan funds are released according to your chosen structure. This may be a lump sum payment, a regular income stream, a line of credit, or a combination of these options. Funds are generally deposited into your nominated bank account on the same day or overnight. Now your loan has settled, our relationship doesn't end there. We'll check in with you annually to make sure everything remains on track and to assist with any questions or changes that may arise in the future. We can also liaise directly with the lender on your behalf whenever you need. From your first inquiry through to settlement and beyond, we remain your broker, working in your best interests. Thank you for watching and finding out more about your home equity and the reverse mortgage process. We look forward to helping you in any way we can. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us today.